I'm Ronna. I'm an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium on Roanoke Island. But I'm not at the aquarium today. I'm at the Atlantic Ocean. This is a lesson in our Water Everywhere series. My question to you is, what are the characteristics of a marine ecosystem? The ocean is our biggest ecosystem. It takes up about 70% of the Earth's surface. Yet it is said we know more about the moon than we do about our own oceans. They are so vast and deep. Here are some characteristics that all oceans share. Number one, 97% of all water on Earth is salty. The saltiness of water, or salinity, is measured in parts per thousand. The oceans are about 35 parts per thousand. To put it another way, if we had 1,000 buckets of water, 35 buckets would be pure salt, and the other 965 buckets would be plain water. Number two, oceans are divided into 3 zones. The zones nearest the surface has the most life. Since phytoplankton, the base of most marine food webs, can access available sunlight at this surface or euphotic zone. This zone is found from the surface to 230 feet down. The second zone has some light, but not enough for phytoplankton to use. This is called the dysphotic zone. The bottom zone gets no light at all. It's called the aphotic zone. Take a deep breath. Number 3, thank you, oceans. Their phytoplankton produces about 70% of the oxygen we use to breathe. Number 4, our oceans control our weather. Some say they are like the heart of our weather system. The different temperatures between the cold Arctic and the warm tropics creates a conveyor belt of ocean water that loops around the globe, cooling or warming us up. And number 5, water doesn't change temperature very easily. We say it has a high specific heat or high heat capacity. This means that the temperature along our coasts doesn't change very quickly as the seasons change. So what does that mean for the animals that live in the ocean? Most ocean animals live near the edges or within the euphotic zone, where there are places to hide as well as food to eat. Well, that's it for this lesson in the Water Everywhere series. I hope you learned something about what makes marine ecosystems pretty cool. I hope you'll tell somebody about what you learned about today too. See you next time.